welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are great. Good morning. It's very early in the morning. It's about 7 o'clock, but in this video I wanted to share with you guys how I get on with my day as a mother of two on the 2-year-olds. So as you can see, I just woken up. My daughter's already ready and downstairs, so I've just woken up and getting ready to take her to school, while the 2-year-olds are sleeping. So at the moment my son is still baby is still sleeping. Normally he would sleep until maybe 9, and then the brother's gonna wake up, or he's probably already woken up. So he's with daddy at the moment because we're kind of like, he's sleeping with him at the minute because he wants out for some reason. So he's in there. Once I'm done here, I'm gonna go get him sorted out. So I'm just gonna go ahead, get ready, and I'm gonna get the school runs done, and I'll be back. So yeah, we're ready to go. I'm gonna quickly drop her off to school, and I will be back, and I'll obviously start my day apparently with the two sleeping. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they're still sleeping well by the time I come back. If not, they would normally wake up and just play. Daddy will see to them, and I'll be back. Literally it's gonna take me about 10-20 minutes, and I will be back. But right now it's freezing in this car. So I'm back from school runs. I'm gonna go ahead and I bought this plant yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and put it out before it dies, and because it's been here since yesterday, it should already be out and put inside the so this is only like 50p from Lidl. So I have my nice little flower pot that I'll put it in, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some water so that it can start to grow. This lasts me usually up to about 2-3 months every time I buy it. So I'm going to add some. So I'm gonna water it. This is how you water it, just from the side, not so much, just enough to saturate it, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead now and get my little boy from upstairs, and I think he's already awake. Alright, let's go. Good morning, Baba. Are you waking up? Come on then, let's go. Oh, Shaden, you woke up as well. So I'm going ahead and feeding Shaden, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna take Shane. So I've just finished feeding the little one. I'm gonna go ahead and get Shane's brush ready, and then while he's brushing, I'm gonna go ahead and make my bed real quick because I've got to get my bed sorted out for the day. Come on, darling, come get your toothbrush. Shane, come on, love. There you go, baby. Oh my god, what are you done in your sister's room? Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my bed made. So yeah, let's go. Lace or something I got from Victoria's Secret. It's supposed to be a body spray, but I just love it on my pillow just to, you know, give it a nice beautiful smell for when I lay on it, and it's just lush, smelling good. So that's it. And so here is my bed. So I'm warming up breakfast for big brother over here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and feed him. He's not quite happy because I've just brought this one, but of course I have to have two of them, and that's what it's all about. I've just got breakfast ready for Shane. I'm gonna go ahead and feed him while holding this one. So yeah, normally he would eat by himself, but because I'm holding this one, it's gonna take longer, so I have to like kind of like help him, to encourage him to hurry up, and because I've got to obviously do other things, and it's hit to this one as well. So yeah, let's get that started. Hi. Give brother kiss. Brother kisses. Say hello. Hi guys.
Hey
Hi. Hi, what's your name?
guys!
Hi. Hi. Say bye bye guys. They're having a conversation. They're having a conversation. Yeah. Are you guys talking? Yeah. Plotting today's mischief. Is that what you're doing? Right. So I've just put the big brother in the bath and he's settled down now, going to sleep. I'm gonna go ahead and put this little baby here to bath as well. Once he has a bath, then he can settle down and have a nice quiet sleep. Then I can go ahead and quickly grab my own shower. That way I'll be able to function well during the day. And whilst he's sleeping, I'm gonna go ahead and do a bit of cleaning. So downstairs I fed him. After feeding him, I did clean the kitchen, you know, did the dishes, wash and wipe up everywhere. So that one is sorted. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bath this. It's bath time for Sheridan right now. So this is what I use, the Johnson's top to toe baby bath. So it's like a shampoo as well as body wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo his hair a little bit today and also finish off. So yeah, we're gonna get that started, aren't we? Right, let's get to it. So we're out of the bath and it's time to get ready. So for moisturizing, I'm gonna go ahead and use this prescribed zero cream from the GP. I usually use Aveeno, but I just noticed that he started having a bit of rashes around his eye area. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the zero cream because that really does help a lot. And then I'm gonna dress him up. So yeah, I had to quickly go pick up the post because the postman just rang the doorbell. So I popped out for 1 minute. But yeah, let's continue. So for his hair, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Vita Coco pure extra virgin 100% raw organic oil. I got it from Holland and Barrett just for £1. I think they had it on offer. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use for his hair now to moisturize it. So yeah, we're gonna moisturize your hair. Yes. Like I said earlier, this baby here, he pulls his hair a lot. So today I'm going to trim his nails. So I use this I mean, there's the baby one. I actually do have it, but I just don't know where it is. Actually, I might go and look for it. But if I can't find it, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, and I'm gonna clip his fingers. I'm sorry, his nails, because he's it's really sharp, and he's been, as you can see, he's been literally ripping his face apart with it, and also pulling his hair. He's got quite a few butt spots here and there because he's been pulling his hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim those nails now so that they can stop ripping his skin off. So he's currently eating, as you can see. So once I'm done with that, I'll try again to see if I can finish his nails before I proceed on to the next. So he's done feeding. I'm trying to burp him, but he just won't cooperate today. Shaden, what's going on? You need to cooperate with Mama, okay? So I'm gonna burp him, then I'm gonna try and see if he can sleep. He's normally would have slept off while breastfeeding, but today is just, I don't know. What's going on, darling? So that's me done for the day. That's the end of my morning routine. Finally got myself ready, and I'm gonna go downstairs now, get up something to eat before they wake up, and also tidy a little bit more. Yeah, pretty much I'm just gonna go ahead, do all that, and then wait till 4 o'clock when I go and pick my daughter up. And yeah, that's it. The kids are gonna wake up in the next 1 hour or half an hour, any moment from now. So I'm gonna take obviously the big brother down to go and feed him lunch. And I hope that the video has inspired you. If it has, please leave your comment down below. And if there's any other thing that you do in the morning on your morning routines with your little ones, please let me know down below so that I can relate as well, or maybe learn one or two. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can go ahead and be part of this family. We do appreciate you. We really are grateful that you're here supporting us and helping us grow. And yeah, thank you so much. God bless you. Have a lovely day, and see you in the next video.